Today, my garden is cool because my mutation make it like this, but my coconut is so small. Going to try. Yang, gung kang. Yang, gung kang. Yang. Happy yum. Apple. What do you want? I want their fruits.
Okay, so very good.
Bruh, you don't know.
There's no other students.
I need them to sell it. You don't know.
Only you in the room.
But can you give me, or else
Let's just go
I
to
will unfriend you.
Rice 2-1. Put or on before
But
okay, for example.
I'm not going to give you because it's my fruits.
Yes, good.
Bro, you don't know.
Correct.
I just want them so we can share
That's right.
some fruits.
Oh,
Bro, you don't know.
on, we call them particles.
Bruh.
Okay, let's continue. It should be. How about this one?
Okay, I got this on my
Okay.
glitter seed tree. Now I'm going to give it to
Okay, next.
Melon because he wants it. Yeah,
Who is it? Yeah.
here ang pangit mo, guy. Bro, I'm not even pangit. Okay, thank you. I'm going to sell
Where
it.
is it? Okay. And lastly, it's 2 o'clock.
Login in. Bangulang gugay.
Perfect. What
Nope.
time is-
Okay, bye-bye. I'm going to leave. Dede! Bro, that's my friend.